Welcome back to Beautyistic. Ever wonder if your skincare routine could work harder while you sleep? Today, we're taking a deep dive into a powerful combination of products designed to transform your skin and teeth. Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Max Night Face Cream and Crest 3D Whitestrips Professional Effects. These might just be your new nightly essentials, but let's see if they live up to the hype. Let's start with the Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Max Night Face Cream. This product promises to deliver the power of retinol with a hefty dose of hydrating complex, and it's formulated to penetrate the skin's surface while you sleep. What I love about this cream is that it's fragrance-free, which is always a plus for sensitive skin. No overpowering scents here, just smooth, creamy texture that absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, so you can rest easy without worrying about it rubbing off on your pillow. The main star of the Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Max formula is its increased concentration of retinol 24, 20% more than its base formula. Retinol, of course, is renowned for its ability to speed up cell turnover, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and improve skin texture. The cream contains a hydrating complex that works to keep your skin feeling nourished while the retinol does its work. This combination of potent ingredients ensures your skin looks renewed by morning, with reduced signs of aging and a smoother complexion. In terms of real-world testing, I've been incorporating this into my nightly routine for the past week, and I must say, it feels incredibly lightweight and nourishing. My skin hasn't felt dry or irritated, which is often a concern with products that contain higher concentrations of retinol. I did notice a slight tingling sensation on the first night of use, which is expected with retinol, but it wasn't uncomfortable. Over time, my skin looked more radiant and smoother, with a noticeable improvement in texture. Now, moving on to the Crest 3D Whitestrips Professional Effects. If you're someone who's been looking for a professional-level teeth whitening treatment at home, this could be the solution. It claims to remove up to 14 years of teeth stains. Yes, 14. And while I don't have years of accumulated stains to test that, I did notice a difference after just a few uses. The strips are easy to apply, and they don't slip or slide around once in place, making them much more comfortable than I anticipated. As for the results, my teeth were visibly whiter after the first week of use. The process is simple. Apply for 30 minutes a day, and over time, you'll see a brighter smile. The strips are also designed not to cause sensitivity, which is a big plus, as some whitening products can cause discomfort. However, I did notice a slight sensitivity on day 3, but nothing that was too bothersome. Now let's talk about the value these products bring to the table. The Olay Retinol 24 Max is priced a little higher than some other over-the-counter options, but considering its formulation, it's worth the investment if you're looking for a higher-performing night cream. The added concentration of retinol, combined with the hydrating complex, gives it a real edge in the skincare market. As for the Crest Whitestrips, they are priced competitively, especially when compared to professional whitening treatments. With consistent use, you're getting results that rival what you might get at a dentist's office, but without the high price tag. If you're in the market for a quick, at-home solution for teeth whitening, this is a solid choice. In terms of build quality, both products deliver. The Olay Regenerist Night Cream comes in a sturdy jar, and the packaging feels premium. It's clear that Olay has invested in quality materials here. The Crest Whitestrips are also well packaged, with each set of strips individually sealed, ensuring freshness and convenience. So would I recommend these products? If you're someone looking to tackle multiple beauty goals at once, smooth, rejuvenated skin, and a brighter smile, these are definitely worth considering. The Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Max Night Face Cream is perfect for those who want to address signs of aging without the harshness of fragrances or excessive irritation. And the Crest 3D Whitestrips? They're an easy, effective way to whiten your teeth without leaving the comfort of home. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used either of these products, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.